strength, wearing vibrant colors that represent the rich cultures and traditions of diverse nations.
Let's now kick off the celebration and welcome our proud students who belong to our 4 grade houses in their parade of nations.
Let's welcome with a round of applause the House of Funday!
Ladies and gentlemen, the House of Funday! Give it up for the House of Funday!
Ladies and gentlemen, the House of Windsor!
A warm round of applause, please, for Dr. Mark and Madam Wang.
Good morning, everyone!
You're all very, very welcome. You look fantastic. The kids especially. I'm really excited that the house system is working so well and that we're able to celebrate the United Nations Day in this wonderful manner. Thank you very much indeed for coming. I hope we have a great day. I'm sure we will. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Hello everyone and welcome to our exciting fun day. Today we are here at Pakistani Auditorium as Silverit International Academy UK celebrates United Nations Day. I'm Saima. And I'm Isabella and we're here representing the Journalism Club. Today we have a fantastic lineup of activities and interviews planned for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's enjoy the day together! What's your name?
James.
Kathleen. Which part of your costume are you most proud of?
I think for my head dress.
Yes, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. And you?
Everything. Everything, yeah.
But do you have a message for your team or house?
Aside from enjoying this moment, I hope that they learn something on this activity. Aside from the fact that everybody's socializing, having interactions with your friends, I hope that you learn something from this event.
My name is Shaira.
What country or culture does your costume represent and why did you choose it?
My costume represented Philippines and I chose it because I'm part Philippines and I've grown up like 6 years in there and I'm very close to my family there.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay. How does your painting connect to the theme?
Since the theme is United Nations and a sustainable society, it has the United Nations part of the people making a better future for us, connecting with nature plus electronics since we are living in an electronic world.
Oh, that's an amazing answer.
My name is Jasmine.
My name is Francine. Are we gonna participate in anything today? We're gonna cheer for Windsor. Wow, that's great. That's great. Yeah. How does it feel to attend your first one?
It feels fun to be with your friends.
Loud.
I think I'm gonna lose my voice by the end of this day.
Well, anything for Windsor, right?
Anything for Windsor!
Okay, what country or culture does your costume represent and why did you choose it?
I am wearing a Filipiniana. It's a traditional clothing from the Philippines, and I chose it because it is my country, and I love my country.
Is it your first time here at Philbert?
Yeah, it was my first time here in Philbert.
How's your experience so far?
So far, so good. It's nice.
Did you see any costumes that you liked and why?
Yeah. I've seen so many costumes and all the kids are participating in this event and it was really nice and good. So perfect.
Who's your favorite house to win and which house are you supporting?
Oh my God, it's a difficult question. I think everybody, but because of course I know Malacanang and our house called Malacanang, so I think my favorite is Malacanang.
Any messages for new homeschool students?
Okay, so for all our students for PIA UK, I always say good luck for everybody. It's not good luck, I could say it's break a leg. So I know it's not easy, especially for the parents on the first year of being an online distance learning parents. But for sure and 100% they will catch up and easily to adapt everything. And I'm so happy because and grateful to everybody that we are here to attend this kind of event and to mingle with your friends, with your classmates, and it's a really amazing experience.
And what's your favorite face-to-face event?
My favourite face-to-face event, Philbert event?
Yes.
Oh, it's always the one that we're at the moment.
So fun day.
Alright. What is your message to our new homeschool students?
Enjoy yourself because learning should be fun.
Okay, that's beautiful. Dr. Mark, what is your favorite house and which house are you supporting?
I do have a favourite house, but I'm not allowed to tell you.
Why not?
Because it would be not fair on the other three.
Is it Conway?
I cannot divulge that information.
Once again, this is Saima and
Annika.
thank you for joining us today.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.